Have you ever thought two people can have the same education, the same years of experience, the same role, and yet one of them starts growing faster, becoming more productive, and creating more value? Why? Because one person is learning how to use artificial intelligence effectively, and the other is just hearing about it. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Swati Verma from Silverson Consultant, and in this channel, we are going to explore practical AI for working professionals, real business use cases, and how you can start applying AI in your daily work. Not coding, not complicated theories, just practical ways to become more productive and future ready. AI is no longer a technology of the future. It is already changing the way we write emails, create presentations, analyze the reports, learn new skills, brainstorming ideas, and make decisions. And the interesting part is you don't need to be an engineer. You don't need to be a programmer. Whether you work in finance, HR, operations, marketing, training, or run your own business, AI can help you. And this brings me to the important thought. The question is not, will AI replace you? The real question is, will someone using AI replace you? That is why learning AI is becoming one of the most important skills today. Now, let me show you a few examples for today's demonstration. I'm using ChatGPT because one of the most popular AI assistants is ChatGPT, but the ideas I'm sharing can be applied to many AI tools. I use AI extensively in my own work as a coach, trainer, consultant, and course creator. And in this channel, I'll share many of those practical workflows with you. Let's start with example number 1. Let's ask AI, write a professional email to a customer informing them that their order delivery has been delayed by 2 days. Okay, now this is a simple email writing which support which we are expecting from the GPT. Let's enter it and see what is the response coming, and within a seconds you will see a wonderful email has come in, and here we have just done a small description of what exactly I need, and then it has given me a very quick, in seconds, the response of my email. Okay, let's take another example. Example number 2 is about reports and the summaries. You can quickly create some reports and the summaries, and let me just give a prompt for that. I'm just giving this prompt: summarize this report and give me the key insights. And you will see that if I upload the report, it would have given me the PDF or an Excel or PowerPoint. For doing this example, what we need is a report. So let me go back here, and then you can see the edit message option. I can edit this message. I'll go here and just enter my report. Now suppose you are also receiving the similar type of a report from the people, like from your manager, like monthly sales performance report, and then now I'm asking AI to summarize it for me. Okay, now what it is doing is not only giving me a summary, because we have also given a report in a paragraph form. So it has summarized the important points from there, but at the same time, you will see the key insights, which is very important, right? Strong overall growth, 15% month over month. Then Western region is the growth engine. Now imagine it's a long report, maybe, some multiple number of pages. I have to go through it to take out these insights. But here you will see that in seconds, it has summarized every important thing from that report. Let's take the example 3 for presentation. Suppose you are preparing a presentation and you can ask AI to create an outline for the presentation on the leadership skills, right? So let's consider that this is the same report for which you have to do the leadership presentation. And so in continuation, because we have already given the data to the ChatGPT, so now let's ask create an outline for the presentation on the leadership skill. So first thing, it is going to give me a good outline, because before I plan my presentation, I have to I should know, like, what exactly I need to present. So it will give me a good outline. Or if I just remove outline here, it will give me the presentation. But if I say outline, it will give me the outline first. Now, very important part is never ask your presentation in the first go. Always ask for the outline first, because that will help you to decide that what exactly you want to showcase in your presentation, right? So if you decide on this, I will tell you slowly, gradually, how we should work on AI. What is the reason that why I'm saying you this, because we normally get in too much of hurry, but we should not be. Slowly you start understanding why This flow is very important. Okay, so now you will see that now it is saying, okay, now first you should start in the slide 1, monthly sales performance review and brief about what you are going to do. Then executive summary you should give. Then in slide 3 you should give the revenue. And now see, planning this for us is going to take some hours, right? At least an hour, I'll say. But here, just from the report, it has created it in just few seconds. Anything you want to do up, down, or any slide here, there, you can always plan it. So now this is becoming very actionable, isn't it? Actionable outputs we are getting in just flicker of seconds. We can take another example, like if you want to learn anything faster, you can ask AI to help you learn that. Like we can take one example, explain Power BI as if I am a beginner. Now see, it will give you all insights of Power BI, what all is there in Power BI, as a beginner, correct? Or you can ask another thing like explain digital marketing with simple example. AI can become your learning companion. Now let me make one thing very clear, that AI is not here to make or replace human intelligence. It cannot replace your creativity, your judgment, your empathy, your experience. But AI can help you work smarter, learn faster, save time, and focus on high value work. So here's my suggestion. This week, don't try to master AI. Just try these few things, like write an email using AI, summarize any documents which you are having, create one presentation outline. That's it. Start small, be curious, and learn by doing. I hope this video gave you a practical introduction to how AI can improve your career, productivity, and income. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends and colleagues who would benefit from learning AI. And if you would like to continue this learning journey with me, subscribe the channel and stay connected with us. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring it.